My name is Srabani Gayen. I am Assistant Conservator at the City Palace Museum, Udaipur for the Arms and Armors Conservation Project. I have been working here for last 2 years. Today I will discuss the conservation of Mewari lacquer shield from the collection of the City Palace Museum. City Palace Museum, Udaipur has a large collection of Indian Rajasthani shield known as dhal, were used mainly in conjunction with the talwar. They were made of raw hide and lacquered with geometric design. Some of the shield have bosses studded with precious and semi-precious gems and stones decorated with gilded floral design. Shield have cracks, delaminations, broken parts, splits, loose pieces, and areas of complete losses. We have observed that lacquer shield deteriorating at very fast pace since they have been shifted to the conservation lab. So we have decided to do environmental monitoring of our lab, and results show there was abrupt changes in temperature and great variation through the day, as well as humidity is very low, and both these factors are responsible for deteriorating of lacquer leather object. Technical investigation and research work were carried out to understand the complex nature of shield and to explore the material and nature of lacquer shield to develop appropriate conservation strategies. Opinions were taken from lacquer expert Miss Christina Hegelskamp during her visit to conservation lab. Survey was conducted with traditional shield maker of Mewar, and information and traditional lacquering on shield was collected. In addition, handheld XRF was used for qualitative and quantitative analysis of metallic parts of shield because it is able to identify the unique fingerprint of each element. A suitable conservation treatment was applied in order to stabilize and prevent further damage. The goal of the treatment for the shield was straightforward. 1. Remove as much of the surface grime as possible. 2. Compensation for large losses. 3. Consolidating the delaminated lacquer. Nanomaterials was used to clean the bosses as to only remove the tarnish and not to over-clean it. A shape paper fill is made by tracing the loss onto Japanese tissue paper and cutting the paper to the size and shape of the loss. The shape paper fill was then placed into the loss and adhered to the lacquer surface using an appropriate adhesive. Once in place, the paper was painted in situ to integrate it with the surrounding surface decoration. To give it the same luster and shine as the rest of the shield, natural resin was applied to the infilling area. This was done after try it on broken part of another shield which was available in lab. Picture of before and after treatment of shield. Following the same innovative approach and methodology, we have conserved more than 30 shields from the Udaipur Royal Armoury collection. Conservation of such vulnerable objects is extremely important for the preservation of our history. In addition, collaborative approach across disciplines, traditional knowledge, and advanced material has proved invaluable. The research and analysis of all various elements is ongoing due to the importance of the object in the light of new discoveries. Thank you.